back to my channel. So today's video is a baking video, even though I suck at baking. There's a few things that I can do that mainly don't involve actually baking anything. So today's video is Mile High Squares. So for that, you need mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, butterscotch chips, and peanut butter. You can also have it with dry roasted peanuts, but I don't like peanuts very much at all. Well, I like peanuts, but not in anything really. If I want to like snack on peanuts, then that's fine, but I don't really like them in anything, so I don't include that, but you can go ahead and do that. I will throw in a picture of the recipe on the screen, and yeah, so let's get to it. Oh, also, it's like, I can't hold that up very well. Also, it's like 9:26 p.m. and I'm in my pajamas, but that's okay. So, I have my mom's cookbook, because she left it when she moved out. So, I have her little baking recipe book. I don't know. There we go. Okay. Actually, I need scissors. Okay, so it says 2 cups or 12-ounce package of the semi-sweet chocolate. I just pour the whole thing in because it basically is 2 cups for the semi-sweet, and then the butter stuff is a little less. And I actually forgot to pull out my measuring cup, so I'm gonna grab that and be right back. Okay, I got my measuring cup. So this is, what is this? 1 2/3. I think it's just like a little less than the full bag. I don't remember it correctly. It's been a while since I've made this. I say a while, like I didn't just make it at Christmas. Although technically my mom made this at Christmas and I didn't. Part of the reason why I never bake is because I'm not very good at like following a recipe. I get too impatient for that, so I like to cook because you don't actually have to follow the recipe per se when you cook. Okay, so that's done. Yeah, okay, like it's almost a bag. Okay, finally. So now we melt this all together with the peanut butter, if I remember. Let's hope there's enough for a cup in here. Well, there might be just enough in this. Also, this is one of my favorite treats that I can actually make. My actual favorite like dessert baked good kind of a thing is my mom's chocolate pudding pie. But as we're quarantining and social distancing and all that, she is at her house and I am at my house, and I don't have access to that. So Mom, I know that you will be watching this. If you could have that ready for the next time we can see each other, I would love nothing more than a big hug and some chocolate pudding pie. Well, it looks like the next time I go to work, peanut butter is going on the list of things we need. Yeah, it's close to a cup. Almost. Okay, so now I'm just going to throw this in with the chocolate chips and the butterscotch chips. Okay, so I'm gonna get all of this melted and ready to go, and I will be back. Okay, so I've mixed everything, so it's this nice creamy, just no bubbles, just chocolate. And I've sprayed my pan. Okay, so now that everything is ready to go, I have my marshmallows. You kind of have to do this fast so the chocolate doesn't like get hard. But you just get your marshmallows all covered in your mix. That's why, even though it doesn't look like a lot of like the chocolate and the peanut butter and stuff go in this, you want a big bowl because your marshmallows take up a lot of space. Oh, I lost a marshmallow to the floor. Okay. Oh. Just add those. So now everything's all mixed together. I take my pan that I sprayed already. And you just kind of hold on. I need both hands for this. So pan. Okay, now you just put this in the fridge and let it cool, and then you cut and serve.
An hour later.
Okay, so once they've been in the fridge for about a half an hour or so and they're firm, you can take them out and cut it up and serve. Okay, Grandma's gonna try the first piece.
Good.
Did I do a good job?
Oh, you did. Nice and thick, but it's awfully big.
They're all big pieces. I cut them really big. Okay, so that is my mile high squares. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button so you get notified when I upload. I love you all. Mwah. Bye, guys.